Hi there, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. By the grace of Allah, I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. I am Jennifer Sultana from Milestone Preparatory KG School, branch Sector 13. Welcome you all to our today's class. Today is our RST class. I am your RST teacher of class 2. So already you have finished your syllabus, RST syllabus of second term. Now our revision classes are going on. So today we will revise chapter 8. Nuh alayhi wasallam saved from the great flood. Today we will revise this chapter. Okay, so let's revise. Let's enjoy our class, today's class. Okay. This is the boat of Nuh alayhi wasallam. Can you see a big boat made of wooden planks? Okay. Now come to our contents. Milestone Preparatory KG School, Class 2, English Medium, Subject Religious Studies, Lecture number 22, RC. Again, teacher's name Jennifer Sultana. Topic. Our today's topic is Nuh alayhi wasallam saved from the great flood. CW number 22. Contents are: number 1, topic discussion. Number 2, book work. Number 3, difficult words with meaning. Number 4, jumbled words. Number 5, fill in the blanks. And number 6, question and answers. Now take your book, our religious studies book, chapter 8, Nuh alayhi wasallam saved from the great flood. You can see a picture in page 36, picture of some animals. Hope you have colored it. It was your homework. Now go to next page, page 37. Long time ago, there was a land where many bad people lived. Long time ago, there lived many bad people. They worshipped idols and false gods. They used to worship many idols and false gods. To guide them, Allah sent a prophet. His name was Nuh alayhi wasallam. So Allah sent Nuh alayhi wasallam as a prophet to guide those bad people who are ignorant and worshipped idols and false gods. Nuh alayhi wasallam told the people to listen to Allah. He told them to be good. He told them there is no God but Allah. He tried his best. So Nuh alayhi wasallam tried a lot to make those bad people understand that there is no God but Allah. Only a few poor people believed him. Most of the other people made fun of him. So some poor people only believed him, but others did not pay any heed to him. They would not listen to him. They did not listen to Nuh alayhi wasallam. So Allah decided to punish the bad people. Allah created a big flood. So how did Allah punish the bad people? Allah created a big flood. By creating this big flood, Allah punished those bad people. Allah told Nuh alayhi wasallam to build a big boat. Nuh alayhi wasallam collected a lot of wooden planks in a dry open field. So Allah told Nuh alayhi wasallam to build a big boat To make the big boat, he collected a lot of wooden planks in a dry open field. So, in a dry open field, he collected lots of wooden timber or wooden board, planks, in a dry open field to make the big boat. He started to tie them up with ropes. The bad people would walk by and laugh at him. What a silly person, they thought. He is building this big boat in a dry field. We never get any water here. So they thought Nuh alayhi wasallam a silly person, because Nuh alayhi wasallam was making this big boat on an open, dry field where they never saw any water, any flood. That's why they were mocking at Nuh alayhi wasallam. One day, Nuh alayhi wasallam finished building the boat. Allah told Nuh alayhi wasallam to gather all the good people and a pair of each kind of animal on the boat. A pair of chickens, a pair of ducks, a pair of lambs, goats, cows, and so on. So Nuh alayhi wasallam gathered all the good people as Allah commanded, and he collected a pair of each kind of animal to take on the boat. Now go to page 38. Next page. Then one day it started to rain. It rained for many days. A heavy rain started and it rained for many days. The ponds were full, the lakes were full, the rivers were full. Then there was a flood. So it was raining heavily, ponds were full, lakes, rivers were full. Then there was a flood. Everything was flooded with water. The boat that Nuh alayhi wasallam built started to float. The waves of the flood became bigger and higher. The good people were safe on the boat, and all the bad people drowned in the water. So good people were safe. Allah saved good people, and Allah punished bad people. They were drowned in the water. A few days later, the sun came out. After a few days, the sun came out, rain stopped, the boat landed on a dry place when the flood ended. So the boat landed on a dry place. Nuh alayhi wasallam and the good people left the boat. They set up a new village where everyone in the village was a good person. So they set up a new village. After landing from the boat, they set up a new village where everyone in the village was a good person. No bad person was there in that new village. Now bookwork. Page 39. Write down BCW and date. Number 1. Fill in the blanks using the right word from the box. In the box, they have given you 3 words: good, prophet, and flood. You have to use these 3 words to fill in the blanks below. A. Too much rain can make a dash. Answer will be flood. B. Allah helps dash people. Answer is good. Number C. Nuh alayhi wasallam was a prophet. Was a dash. Answer will be prophet. Number 2. MCQ, multiple choice question. Allah told Nuh alayhi wasallam to build a. Circle the correct answer. They have given you three answers: boat, car, house. Answer will be boat. Circle boat. Number 3, when it rained, the boat sank, floated, flew. Answer will be floated. When it rained, the boat floated. Number 4, Nuh alayhi wasallam took a pair of books, toys, animals. Answer will be animals. Nuh alayhi wasallam took a pair of animals. Now come to next page. Page number 40. All the people in the boat were good, bad, angry. Answer will be good. You have to circle good. Number 6. Circle C if the sentence is correct. Circle W if the sentence is wrong. Number A. Nuh alayhi wasallam's boat was made of steel. Wrong. His boat was made of wooden planks. B. After the flood ended, there were many bad people. The answer is wrong. After the flood ended, there were many good people. Number C. Allah saved good people. That is correct. Circle C. Number 7. Find the following words in the word puzzle. They have given you a word puzzle and 7 words in the box. You have to find out these 7 words from this word puzzle. Hope you have already done it in your book as your book work. Now come to difficult words with meaning. When you have read the story, you have got some difficult words with spelling were a bit difficult to you, but now after learning these difficult words, it will be easy for you. Words will be easier. Now, here number 1, worship means revere or to show respect to God. Number 2, guide meaning lead the way. Number 3, penalize meaning teach someone a lesson. Number 4, create meaning make or build. Number 5, rope meaning cable or thick cord. Number 6, planks meaning board or timber. Number 7, flood meaning gush or overflow. Number 8, silly. The meaning is foolish or stupid. Number 9, pair. The meaning is set of 2. Set of 2. Number 10, float. Rest or move on a liquid without sinking. Learn these words carefully with spelling and meaning. So, the reading story will be easier for you. Now, jumble words. Here are 8 jumble words for you from the story. Number 1, HNU. Guess what will be the word? Nuh. N-U-H. Nuh. Nuh alayhi wasallam's name. Number 2, N-I-P-S-H-U. The word will be, the word is punish. P-U-N-I-S-H. Number 3, L-A-V-I-L-G-A. What will be the word? Guess. Village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E. Village. Number 4, A-P-N-L-K-S. What will be the word? Planks. P-L-A-N-K-S. Number 5, AWEVS. The word is waves. WAVES, waves. Number 6, LOFOD. Guess the word. The word is flood. FLOOD. Number 7, AIPR. Yes, the word is pair. It says, isn't it? PAIR, pair. Number 8, NAIAML. What is the word? Yes, the word is animal. Okay? Hope you have, it was easy for you to unjumble the words. Now come to the content, fill in the blanks. Already you have done this in your CW copy. So here I have given this again for your revision. Number 1, Nuh alayhi wasallam told the people to dash to Allah. In the dash there will be the word listen. Nuh alayhi wasallam told the people to listen to Allah. Number 2, only few poor people dash Nuh alayhi wasallam. What will be the word? In the blank. Believed. Only few poor people believed Nuh alayhi wasallam. Number 3, Allah dash to punish the bad people. Allah dash. Allah decided to punish the bad people. Number 4, Allah told Nuh alayhi wasallam to dash a big boat. Allah told Nuh alayhi wasallam to build a big boat. Number 5, Allah dash a big flood. Can you guess what will be the word? Created. Allah created a big flood. Why? To punish the bad people. Number 6, Nuh alayhi wasallam collected a lot of wooden planks. Wooden dash. So here the word will be wooden planks. Number 7, the waves of the flood became dash and dash. The waves of the flood became bigger and higher. Read the story carefully and attentively, so it will be easier for you to fill in the blanks. Now come to our last content. Questions, answers. Question answer parts. Number 1, what did Allah tell Nuh alayhi wasallam to build? Answer is, Allah told Nuh alayhi wasallam to build a big boat. Allah told Nuh alayhi wasallam to build a big boat. Number 2, how did Allah punish the bad people? Answer is, Allah punished the bad people by creating a big flood. So, the people who did not follow Allah's commands, who did not listen to Nuh alayhi wasallam, Allah punished them by creating a big flood. Number 3, where did Nuh alayhi wasallam build the boat? Answer is, Nuh alayhi wasallam built the boat in a dry field. Nuh alayhi wasallam built that big boat, wooden boat, in a dry open field. So question answer is finished. Now homework time. Your homework is revising all the items from this chapter. I mean from chapter 8. You have got 6 items from chapter 8. So you have to revise all the items. If you miss any content, any item, you can write or collect from this class. Hope this class will be helpful for you. So, study regularly, study properly and attentively. Enjoy our online classes regularly and stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.